guys on how I tune my Audi S4. We're gonna pop the hood for the battery maintainer first thing before we plug in the little IE chip. Red plug, so there's just a little flippity flop thing that you can get to it. And here is the negative charge. I have the battery maintainer right here. It looks like this. Just gonna have to plug it in. Let's see, here is what it will tell you when it's charging, when you can just leave it around unintended because it will stop charging once the battery is full. Fortunately, the IE scanner software is only on Windows. I don't have any Windows laptops, so I had to use bootcamp. My MacBook Pro does not have USB, so I use a USB-C port to connect my scanner. It's gonna get plugged into the car and start tuning it. Or I struggle really hard again. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so we're at the step where we're gonna turn on the car, but we're not gonna start it. Hopefully nothing breaks. Alright, very good. Okay. Alright, now we can press next. Step before this is just gonna let you confirm your VIN, pretty much identify your car. So I just skipped that. I'm trying to go transmission, so we're just gonna click that. I paid for the AL552ZF8, $6.99. We got a few options here. We're gonna pick the street launch. That's the tune we're gonna go with, and this is a full transmission tune. We're gonna do this tune. We're gonna flash it. This car meets the requirements. So here will tell you the balance. So I had an extra 100 credits for my stage 2. We're not gonna use that today. So we're gonna purchase. Voila! It's so fast. Just kidding, that was just downloading the tune. Whoa. During the tune, definitely some lights will pop up, and that's completely normal. It will yell at you about everything and everything. Just like my mom. Yeah, little beep bloops. That's okay. It's making weird noises when it's tuning. Car got done tuning really fast. It was 30 seconds. I turned off the car and we're gonna have to start it. We're just gonna take off our battery maintainer. Let's take off the black one first. Bada bing, bada boom. Put that safely on the side. Close her up and start the car. First impressions, driving with the TCU tune. It is so much more responsive. Forget what turbo lag means. Or track days this weekend. I'm just doing autocross.
Straighten out. Yep. Straight. And brake hard.
You know, nothing crazy. That's why I wanted the TCU tune, because I didn't feel comfortable driving it without the tune. The whole tune took about 30 minutes, but that's because I was recording. If you do it at home, it should be way quicker. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something.